The Hot Air Balloon Festival in the Forest. Once upon a time, in a beautiful and lush green forest, a very special event was just around the corner. It was the annual Hot Air Balloon Festival, and all the animal friends in the forest were incredibly excited to build their own beautiful balloons. Among these friends, there was a little rabbit named Bunny. Bunny was absolutely amazing at painting and coloring. Then there was a little squirrel named Pippin, who loved decorating things with beautiful leaves and flowers. And finally, there was a big teddy bear named Barnaby, who was incredibly strong and great at building sturdy wooden frames. But one day, Bunny started to feel a bit too proud. He thought to himself, "My painting skills are the best in the entire forest. If I make a balloon all by myself, it will definitely be the most beautiful one. I do not need anyone else's help at all." With that thought, Bunny decided to work all alone, without inviting any of his friends. Seeing him work, Barnaby and Pippin walked over to him with big smiles. "Hey, Bunny, let us all work together so we can make an even bigger and more beautiful hot air balloon." But Bunny quickly turned them away and said he wanted to do it by himself. So, Barnaby and Pippin felt a bit sad, but they decided to team up and build a balloon together. Finally, the night of the festival arrived. The entire forest was glowing with colorful lights and beautiful balloons. Bunny's balloon looked very bright and colorful because of his wonderful painting skills. However, because Bunny was not strong enough, the wooden frame of his balloon was very weak and shaky. He was also running out of time to decorate it. Suddenly, a strong gust of wind blew through the trees. With a loud crash, Bunny's balloon fell to the ground and was almost completely ruined. Bunny felt so heartbroken and sat on the ground, crying tears of sadness. "Oh no, my beautiful balloon is ruined. Now I won't be able to fly it in the festival." While he was crying and feeling hopeless, Barnaby and Pippin showed up. They were pushing their own balloon, which was incredibly strong because of Barnaby's strength and beautifully decorated because of Pippin's touch. They were not angry with Bunny at all. Instead, they gently comforted him. "Don't cry, Bunny. Let us fix it together. You still have so many beautiful colors left." Barnaby quickly fixed the broken wooden frame with his great strength. Pippin held the pieces together and decorated it with leaves, and Bunny quickly painted beautiful colors all over it. By working together happily and putting their hearts into it, they transformed the broken pieces into the strongest, most beautiful, and brightest hot air balloon in the entire forest. As the giant balloon gracefully floated up into the starry night sky, Bunny realized his mistake and turned to his friends. "Please forgive me, my friends. I now truly understand that working together in unity is much better than trying to do everything alone." From that night on, the three friends always shared their ideas, worked together as a team, and lived happily ever after. And that, little ones, is the end of our story. The lesson we can learn today is that working together with unity always brings a stronger and more perfect success than doing things all by yourself. So, remember to always be helpful and cooperative with your friends. If you liked this story, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing and magical stories. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.